my side of the story. So, kumbaga sa ngayon po, it's about facts and evidence and hindi lang political noise or speculations. Kaya the ICI commissioners were able to ask me many questions and I was able to answer it. And I feel very, very happy and welcome this opportunity to share all the things.
So yung kay representative po, ano pong tingin niyo dapat niyang gawin?
The ICI will have resource persons invited here and we shall await for the same.
Sir, but do you think he should come back to Tatan?
Well, any and all resource persons who are invited here, we expect them to return.
Sir, babalik po kayo sa commission? Sa ICI?
I'm ready to come back to the commission anytime I'm invited, so that if I can share more information, I will do so.
So your comment lang ba?
Sir, you want to release your SALN?
I will do at the instance of the commission.
Sir, yung
Sir, pupunta po ba kayo sa DOJ ko?
I'm not been invited.
Sir, yun pong sinabi nung witness ni Senator Marcoleta, and could you like to comment yung kay Ori?
Well, the witnesses that were presented are discredited already for having sent and falsified documents in the testimony, and their testimonies have already been denied by the.
But do you confirm po that he was part of your security?
It's not part of my security. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Kung nakakapag-usap pa kayo sa ating
Thank you very much.
Kung pa-confirm mo kung nakakapag-usap kayo sa ating
Thank you very much. Ito yung sasakyan. Yeah, this way. This way, sir. Sir, this way.
How about your son?
Ang reaction nyo, sabi ni Senator now.
How about your son?
Excuse me po. Okay na po. Thank you. Thank you.
Kung pa-confirm lang kung nagkakasap kayo.
Easy.
Sila.
Magpagtulakan.
Ha?